So for those of us that have been asking how to open this Rumble account, watch this particular video now. I talk about how you are going to open your Rumble account, sign into your Rumble account. First thing you ought to do is to, if you are using an Android phone, you go to your Play Store. But if you are using an iPhone, you go to your Safari. Loading site. So just know that before you create this Rumble account, you have to make sure that you have a new email, a separate email for that, so that you know that this particular email is meant for Rumble account only. Okay, and you don't have to attach it with other email unless you want to attach your Rumble. Maybe you want to link your Rumble to your YouTube channel, that is if you have one. Okay, so that is it. All you have to, you come to this search bar where they write search apps and type Rumble. If you type Rumble, we have Rumble, we have Rumble Studio. Can you see it? We have Rumble Studio, we have Rumble. See how the Rumble Studio looks like. So take note of their logo. Okay, make sure you take note of their logo. So, but that's not what we have. But you have to download these two apps, the Rumble app and the Rumble Studio. So for the Rumble main app, this Rumble looks like YouTube. Yes, it has a feature of YouTube. This app and YouTube has a similar characteristics. So all you have to do is, this is the logo of this particular platform we are talking about that is earning people a lot of money. So now once you see it, you see that my own is already installed. And that is why, because I've installed it and I've been using it to upload videos. Okay, so, and when you also look here, you will see update. Now if you are downloading it for the first time, you will display that the rows updates will be written installed. You'll be seeing installed, just like this up one now. You'll be seeing installed here that is written update. So let's take for example, now you click on the installed and it started installing. Then you come back to your Rumble main app. So once it opens to this particular interface, now this is the home feed. This is my own Rumble home feed. Are you seeing it? Now this is my own Rumble home feed. Now I have to sign out from my account. So now if you have finished downloading your Rumble account and you click on the app that we just downloaded, now this is the interface you are going to see. Mind you, this is the interface you are going to see. Now you see what we have here. Sign into Rumble. In order to unlock access to account features, you need to sign into Rumble account. That means if you already have an account with Rumble, this particular sign in you are seeing here is where you are going to click. Then you enter your email and your password. But if you are new to Rumble, like if you are opening it for the first time, you have to click on this create account. Okay, now so let's click on this create account because we want to open a Rumble account. Then we have to wait it to this extent. Now if you reach to this extent, you see what we have. Create a Rumble account. Already have a Rumble account. That is, if you already have one, you click on this sign in you are seeing here, and it will take you to where you are going to put your email and your password. But for us that is creating a new account, that is for us that is getting started to this app, so what you are going to do is to put your working email, put a valid email, an email that they will send you a 6-digit code, an email that cannot be terminated, a working email, an email that's active. So you put down your email here, make sure you put the correct email. You come over here, put the date of the month of your birth. Make sure that the month of your birth is the same month in your bank account. Yes, because you know this Rumble will be paying you into your Pay. Okay, and make sure that every details you have on your Pay, including your date of birth, yes, will still be the same. Let's say for example now you come to Rumble and your month of birth is April, and on your Pay or your bank account you are writing maybe September. Can you see is a different thing and it doesn't tally? Okay, and it's an incorrect thing. So make sure you put the month. So let's just say June is our month. You put the correct date, 5th, then you put the correct year. Like I said in my previous video, that for you to open a Rumble account, you must be up to 18 years. If you are less than 18 years, you cannot open Rumble account. Okay, so from 18 years should be, if you are less than 18 years, it should be from 2003 or something. But if you want to be above 18 years, you are above 18 years. Let's say you were born in 1997. You click on 1997, then come over here and put your email. Let me put one of my email here. Okay, so I've added my email. Once you added it, you click on next. Okay, once you click on next, it will take you to another interface where they will have to, okay, they are now verifying the email, verifying the date before they will not move over to the next one. I don't think I'll continue till the end of this account creation, but I'm going to explain everything for you because I don't want to create another account. Creating another account might be the third account I'll be creating. For the concept of this tutorial, for the sake of this tutorial, that is what I'm showing you. So now can you see this verification have opened and they said verify you are human. Yes, they're trying to make sure that you are a human and not a robot. Okay, they are trying to make sure you are a human, and for you to identify to them that you are a human, you have to click on this verify. Now it will start saying verifying. Now once you click on this verifying, it will not take you to the basic information where you have to tell them a little about yourself, whereby you enter your account details for you to get started. And for you to also get started, you will need to also accept their terms and conditions. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is to create a username. Make sure that you create a username, a valid username. Any email that has been used by another person, they will still tell you. Now let's take for example, now we want to title our email to be, our username to be grow with Dara. So while you are typing it, they will be giving you to know if it's correct. So your gender, make sure you put your gender. I'm a male. If you're a female, you identify female. So I'm a male. Then your country, make sure you add your current country. Don't go and add another country that you are not a citizen of. Don't go and add a country that you are not in the state. Let's take for example now, if you're in US, you identify US. If you're in Canada, you identify Canada. Any of the country, we have varieties of countries here. So then if you want to, okay, then I'll have to search on Nigeria because I'm in Nigeria and I'm a Nigerian citizen. Okay, so this is Nigeria. I click on Nigeria and you have to click on the accept. So once you click on the accept, you click on next. Now can you see that they told me invalid username? So you have to put a valid username. Let's just say I'll put a valid, I'll make sure that this valid username is correct, because you will actually know if your username is correct by the time you click on next. That is when they will now tell you. Now they are not trying to verify this email. So while they are verifying this email and account creation, if you have enjoyed watching this video, like this video, subscribe. Now here you have to verify you are a human by clicking on this angle. So once you are done with this account creation, now I don't want to open another account. The next thing you are going to do is to download your Rambo Studio. Let's say you have downloaded your Rambo Studio. We will come over to our Rambo Studio, and now for you to verify your account, you have to click on this verify account. Once you click on this verify account, it will take you to the Chrome version, the website version of where you are going to verify your account. For those of you asking me how to verify your account, now, so they say welcome Rombo's knowledge base. Find step-by-step guides, troubleshooting tips, and feature beginners to get the most out of our platform. Now, payments related questions, then that is not what we are after. Now, here to verify your account using your phone, you click on this Rumble account verification. Yes, this Rumble account verification. Now, here you have to put, just like from what we have, your country. Here we have Nigeria. Then you have to put with their country code, you put your current number, your number that is working. Okay, so once you put your number, you click on mobile. If you want them to call you or text you. So once you are done, then they will verify your account. Okay, now for you to download or to upload a video, once you come over to this account verification site, then you will see this plus sign here. You click on it and it will say upload videos, go live. That is if you want to go live. So if you want to go live, you have to set up your new live stream, set everything, then go live. Click on this Rumble come live and you start your new live stream. But if you want to upload a video, you click on this plus button, click on upload a video, and they will say select video to upload. Then you click on it, it will take you to your phone gallery. Then once you take it to your phone gallery, you can now start picking the video. Now once you pick the video, then here is where you can put the title, the description, the category. Yes, make sure it is how to. So then leave the secondary category, how to. Then put your video thumbnail. Now for you to add your video thumbnail, you are going to click this particular option that said choose your own, unless you want Rambo to choose their own for you. That is when they will not have this 3 thumbnail. But if you want to choose your own thumbnail yourself, you click on this, then put your tags, put your related video, put it under public, unlisted, private, schedule. Now guys, can you notice something here? This particular visibility is almost the same with YouTube. On YouTube, you can unlist, you can private, you can schedule a video, and also public sheet. And now they will tell you each visibility, what it means, and the functions. Yes, it's also the same thing applicable to YouTube. Now once you are done, you click on this upload video. Your video has been uploaded. Okay, so your video has been uploaded. Now if you want to check some certain things, your earnings and all of that, come over to your profile. Yes, once you come over to your profile, you can now see your dashboard, your account setting. So guys, if you find this video helpful, if you find it interesting and educational, I will urge you to like, I will urge you to subscribe, comment, and also share it, and hit that notification so that you get notified each time I upload video. Thank you, and I'm going to see you on my next video. Bye. Yeah.